My name is Shivang. Uh, I live in Bombay. I studied law from KLE Law College, Bangalore, and I passed in 2016. And thereafter, I practiced for about a year. After practicing for about a year, I took a break and prepared for judicial services for about a year then. And after preparing for judicial services, I thought of entering into the corporate structure. So I am now employed with Reliance General Insurance as an associate legal manager. First of all, I should tell why did I take up a course by Law Seco. So basically, I've been following Ramanuj and Abhyuday's blogs on iPleaders and Law Seco for quite a long time. So I was always very impressed with the quality of articles and the uh, quality of everything that they provide in their internet, in their website or in their blog services. I was always impressed by it. So one of the reasons that I took was because of I can say Ramanuj or Abhyuday's blogs, and then I downloaded some specimens, or you can say sample documents. So after reading those documents, I could easily differentiate between the other courses that I had taken earlier, that the quality that they give is far more better than any other content provider content provider today. So that's about it. Why I took the course from Law Seco. Now why I took the course on company law was because after all these years of my much years, but all these years of practice and preparation, now I wanted, after tasting both the fields, I wanted to get into corporate field. So before entering here, as I had graduated in 2016, I lost touch in the corporate field. So I wanted to start with the basic course. But the basic course that Law Seco provided was actually very good. That they provided me with these practical aspects, which I could differentiate by downloading the samples. So this is the reason I took the course on Companies Act. Uh, I mean, uh, currently where I'm working, I do not deal with the core corporate culture here. I'm associate with the third party motor insurance and the consumer insurance, as you in consumer insurance related to consumer contracts or commercial contracts per se. But my knowledge for the basics was not clear from the law school only. So you can say, for example, if I did not know how to find uh, any information about a company on the MCA website. So, and these small practicalities, how can you incorporate the company, and what forms do I use, what forms do I download for it. So these were the things that I had learned, practical aspects basically, which is a very important aspect, I must say. So these aspects, I gained a lot of knowledge. So now when I read business news, or when I talk to someone who's actually working on core corporate, so I don't feel left around, or I can understand the news. And I think it has given me a good push to shape my future into, or to enter into an industry which deals with core corporate. So because of these practical aspects that the course brings into, I am sure that I'll be able to I have a good grasp on the basics. So it'll be good as soon as I shift to, or as soon as I start with a core corporate culture. Anyone can take these courses, be it a professional or law student, or someone who might not be even related to the legal field. Because see, the course that LawSeeker provides is not like something written in a book or something that other content providers provide you, that they give you something, some case laws or some other things that relate, that are almost sort of bookish knowledge or bookish sentences. But the modules that LawSeeker provides is actually very practical. It gives you a practical insight towards a particular business or a particular for example a particular subject. So for example, as I said earlier, that in corporation documents, or for that matter, I when I read that merger and acquisition chapter, so I had no idea about M&A. I had no idea how an M&A transaction took place. So after reading that, I could, I can now even see the M&A transactions go. I can understand the news going around M&A, and I can easily comprehend what they're trying to do. So the basic practical aspect that they take into account and they provide you is one of the main or the key features of LawSeeker courses. So one cannot, I don't think so one can get as good a course as LawSeeker provides. So this is the reason I actually took another course from LawSeeker.